Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you guys can already see, we are working on this table that I previously talked to you guys about. I told you that we were painting or refurbishing a table that we purchased off of Facebook Marketplace. When we purchased this table, I knew right away that I wanted to change the color of the table completely. So in order for us to achieve a new color, we had to sand this table and remove all of the stain. So in order to get this done, my husband is getting the natural wood back, and he is using his palm sander with the 60 grit disc sanding paper. But throughout the video, I will be showing you guys all the things that we used to completely transform this table. Now, the color of this table was a cherry color, and I wanted to use a walnut stain to match my hatch. But I will also be leaving you guys all the information of all the things we used in the description down below, so you guys can check it out if you guys are interested. So let me tell you guys, I was on a strict budget when I was looking for a coffee table, and all the ones that I found were so expensive. They were $500, $600, $700. They went all the way up to $1,000. So I was like, no way, I am not spending so much money on a coffee table. So I knew that we would have to get a coffee table that we would have to paint it and restain it and just add our special touch. So if you guys are on a strict budget and you guys are handy, or your husbands are handy, then this is a great way to save money, because like I said, we saved a bunch, and this table was $100. So keep in mind, $100 Canadian. So I'm thinking with the difference in US, if you're watching from the US, it's probably around $80. And now this is how the table looks with its natural wood. And my husband is going in with 120 sanding paper just to smooth it out, and he's going to clean it, and then we are going to stain it. We are going for a walnut color because it's the same one that we used when we refurbished our hutch. Now my hutch is really special to me because it was something that my mom passed along to me when we got our first place here, and it is so special to me. It's been with us for a few years now. But as you guys can see, my husband is already staining the table. As soon as he touched the table with the stain, I was just so excited. I couldn't wait for the finished product, and I couldn't wait to see how it would look. So I was so excited. It's taking me a while to find a coffee table, and not only like to find one, but one that was budget friendly, because like I said, I was on a strict budget. I was saving up for a coffee table, so $100 for me was a steal, was so worth it, because the table just turned out so beautiful. So can you see the lighter parts of the wood? Now my husband is going with a very light hand of stain and just going over it just to darken it a little bit, because we did feel like it was a little too light for us. And once he was done doing this, we let it dry completely for a whole day, and then the next day we went in with the varnish. To varnish the table, we used a satin oil base. And then again, we let this dry overnight. And I don't know if you guys can see, but we had a heater on, and it was pretty cold. So once we were going to paint the next day, we brought our table inside. So the scenery is going to change a little bit, because it was so cold to be outside in the garage in the middle of winter. If this is the first time you are stopping by, I wanted to welcome you to my channel. I do a lot of cleaning motivation. I do home decor, DIYs, as you guys can see. And if you're into this type of content, please consider subscribing. I also do hauls once in a while and some lifestyle videos. So if you're into this type of content, please subscribe. I would love to have you join my YouTube family and be part of my YouTube journey. So like I told you guys, we moved inside and now my husband is priming the table, and this is a stain blocker. So if you previously had a stain on an item, this is good to use to prime, and it also prevents it from getting yellow in the future. So that's what my husband said. I'm passing along the information so you guys know in case in the future you guys are tackling this. Here I was teasing my husband, asking him to do a thumbs up for the video for you guys, and he's going in now with the sanding paper again, the 120, just to smooth any rough edges. And now we're going in with the color, and we did have to do 2 coats of paint just so that it can cover everything. And the paint that we are using is a white semi-gloss. So this is the last drawer my hubby is working on before I give you guys the grand reveal of how my coffee table turned out. I am in love with it. Every time I walk into my family room and I see it, it just makes me smile. And here is the final result. I am just giving you a 360 view or at least trying to, and show you guys how it looks. We did go ahead and distress it a little bit, like I said, give it our own special touch, and I love it. I love the way it looks here. I am so happy the way it turned out, and thank you to my husband for making my coffee table look so beautiful and special. But this is it for today, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like today's video. Bye.